The most common actually is dogs on home cooked diets who have an unbalanced calcium supply. So they quite often have no calcium at all, but sometimes they have some, but not enough in relation to the phosphorus they're eating. Quite a lot of these dogs, they look absolutely fine. And then when they're 8-9 years old, maybe 10, they develop some wobbly teeth, and we have them in for a dental. And actually, these little dogs, quite often their jawbone has completely dissolved. So it's not uncommon, it's quite often Yorkshire Terriers and Chihuahuas. And it just goes to show that really these dogs haven't shown any sign of that problem for years and years. But at a very young age of 8 or 9 years old, these dogs end up with no teeth because their jawbone has dissolved completely. As an example of why it's really important that we look at balance the whole life of the dog, because what we're not seeing is that the insides of these dogs are working hard their entire life trying to correct the failure that we have provided in terms of a diet. So even if your dog looks fine, please don't settle for a poor diet. Please don't use something that you know is unbalanced. And if you're not sure, please speak to the company and find out whether it is correctly balanced for your dog, taking into consideration whether they're active, whether they're sick, whether they're growing. And then hopefully your dog will live a long life